Have you been curious about which humanoid robots deliver real wow factor without breaking the bank? Don't worry, I'm breaking down the top picks so you can decide with ease. Today, I'm going to be going over the best humanoid robots that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the Humanoid Robot Building Set. From the moment you unbox, the Humanoid Robot Building Set signals approachable play for beginners and stimulating challenge for curious hobbyists. Its modular components invite imaginative problem-solving while aligning with STEM curricula and inspiring parents to share constructive, hands-on learning moments. The set targets ages 8+, balancing complexity with safety features to keep sessions engaging without overwhelming younger builders. Construction feels sturdy thanks to high-quality plastics and precise snap joints that resist wear after repeated assembly. The design emphasizes modular symmetry, enabling quick reconfiguration and creative experimentation while maintaining a compact footprint for shelf-friendly storage. It measures roughly 12 by 9 by 6 inches when packaged and expands to a similarly portable footprint during playtests. The kit includes servo-compatible actuators, color-coded guides, and a robust microcontroller that supports block-based programming. Audible feedback and tactile indicators help users verify correct assembly and illuminate educational pathways from basic to advanced robotics ideas. The integrated power system uses standard AA cells or rechargeable options, smoothing transition between classroom demonstrations and home tinkering sessions. During tests, the motors delivered steady torque with minimal stall, maintaining consistent speeds across moderate load scenarios and varied terrains on mats. Battery life exceeded expectations in typical classroom cycles, supporting multiple build iterations and extended play without frequent replugs or recharge interruptions. Users reported smooth calibration and reliable sensor feedback that improved with firmware updates, translating to more accurate models and richer experimentation. Compared to the LEGO Mindstorm's Robot Inventor Kit, the Humanoid offers quicker setup and better value, though it lags on advanced sensors. The pros include affordable price and value, modular design enabling rapid reconfiguration, and intuitive block programming that accelerates learning. The cons include limited advanced sensors that restrict sophisticated experimentation and occasional fitment issues during complex builds in some configurations. At number 4, we have the generic magnetic robot travel toys. From the moment you unbox it, the toy signals an approachable entry point for curious kids and creative adults seeking portable robotics play. Ideal for curious children ages 8 and up as well as hobbyists, it invites hands-on experimentation without overwhelming first-time builders. The chassis adopts a modular plastic shell with reinforced corners, delivering a surprisingly sturdy feel that belies its affordable price point. It measures roughly 7 inches across when assembled, with compact depth that fits neatly into a backpack or desk drawer. Its lightweight 4-pound mass elevates portability without compromising structural integrity during casual travel, tests, or spontaneous play sessions. The set ships with 40 modular magnets and 36 connecting components, enabling diverse configurations that challenge spatial reasoning while remaining safe. The magnetic alignment helps learners see gravity and balance in action, promoting iterative design through trial and error. Each connector uses a low-profile recessed magnet to minimize snagging, while color-coded pieces aid effortless sorting and construction. In quick hands-on tests, the magnets held stable mid-air demonstrations, yet some larger assemblies revealed minor wobble under pressure. During extended play sessions, the modular pieces remained secure, and repeated rebuilds did not noticeably degrade the magnetic hold or alignment. The toy travels well in backpacks, making it a practical companion for road trips, flights, or classroom demonstrations. Compared to a standard plastic STEM kit, this magnetic robot set offers greater rebuild variety yet comes at a higher price. The pros include sturdy magnetic joints with dependable grip, extensive modularity enabling countless configurations, and excellent portability for travel. The cons include higher price than basic sets, and small parts can be lost during travel, complicating storage, and increasing risk of misplacement. At number 3, we have the MakeBlock Cody Rocky, an educational robot designed to empower kids and beginners through engaging hands-on programming adventures. Right out of the box, the unit exudes approachable charm with a friendly form factor that clearly targets curious students and classroom instructors. The chassis uses a sturdy ABS shell with reinforced joints and a compact footprint, enabling easy integration into desks, classrooms, or maker tables. Its modular design supports simple accessory attachment and reconfiguration, while the overall dimensions keep it portable enough for home experiments. Cody Rocky integrates a 2-axis gyro, color sensors, line tracking, and an infrared beacon, enabling diverse projects from robotics basics to interactive games. During testing, Cody Rocky executed smooth movements, responsive line following, and quick code updates with minimal lag even when running multi-module programs. The companion software supports Scratch-style blocks and Python scripting, offering a gentle learning curve while preserving depth for more advanced programmers. Compared to the LEGO Mindstorm's EV3, Cody Rocky offers a friendlier entry point, more compact hardware, and faster software iteration for classrooms. The pros include beginner-friendly programming workflows, versatile sensor suite, and affordable price point for schools and families. The cons include limited onboard processing power and a modest display that can hamper heavier autonomous tasks and complex projects. The modular sensor arrangement can be reconfigured with clip-on modules, expanding capabilities without necessitating a complete redesign over time. Battery life remains solid for its class, delivering hours of classroom demonstrations and at least a full weekend of tinkering without frequent recharges. A bright LED indicator array offers immediate feedback during coding lessons, visually signaling success across tasks and aiding non-reading learners. While affordable, the bundled ecosystem encourages external add-ons and coding courses, creating value for programs looking to scale from beginner to advanced. Overall, Cody Rocky stands out as a well-rounded starter robot with broad software support and a design that invites continued learning. At number 2, we have the Butterfly Edufield STEM Robotics Kit. From the moment you unbox, the Butterfly Edufield STEM Robotics Kit communicates approachability through clear visuals, friendly packaging, and beginner-friendly guidance. This initial impression targets curious learners aged 8 to 14 who crave hands-on building and problem-solving through accessible projects. Its school-friendly design hints at classroom viability while still appealing to families seeking weekend challenges and creative experimentation. Build quality shines with a robust housing and sturdy connectors that tolerate repeated assembly without loosening or misalignment. The modular snap-fit blocks simplify reconfiguration, enabling rapid setup of new experiments without any tools. Dimensions stay compact enough for desks and classrooms, yet roomy enough to house motors, sensors, and expansion options. A capable microcontroller drives seamless motor control and sensor feedback, forming a reliable backbone for experimental learning. Standout features include line-following sensors, programmable LEDs, and an Arduino-compatible MCU I/O interface that invites experimentation across diverse curricula. Programming flexibility spans Scratch-style blocks and Python, enabling beginners to grasp logic while advanced users implement real-world control. In real-world tests, the Butterfly Edufield STEM Robotics Kit demonstrated reliable motor response and consistent sensor data across repeated runs with minimal drift. Under time challenges, accuracy and responsiveness held steady, although fine-tuned calibrations improved performance for delicate line-following tasks. Durability holds up in classroom-style use, with parts snapping back into place after moderate drops and routine maintenance. Compared to the LEGO Mindstorm system, this kit offers quicker learning curves and more immediate, project-based wins for younger students. The pros include affordable entry price, user-friendly design, and extensive teaching resources. The cons include limited advanced projects and small parts easily lost. At number 1, we have the Luansoul MechDog Pro, a flagship quadruped robot designed for capable performance and engaging, family-friendly demonstrations. From the moment you unbox, its tactile grip, responsive app, and adaptive gait signal a premium target for enthusiasts, educators, and developers. This initial segment frames a target audience seeking durable engineering, programmable features, and hands-on robotics experiences for hobbyists and classrooms alike. The Luansoul MechDog Pro showcases a rugged chassis with reinforced joints and a matte finish that resists scuffs while maintaining elegant lines. Its dimensions strike a compact yet substantial presence, measuring roughly the size of a large dog with a low, stable center of gravity. The weight distribution and alloy frame balance portability and durability, ensuring confident maneuvering on carpets, tiles, or uneven outdoor surfaces without wobble. Equipped with a 4-servo-leg drivetrain, the Luansoul MechDog Pro delivers precise gait cycles, dynamic transitions, and stable foot placement across terrain. Its sensor suite includes depth cameras, LiDAR-style range sensing, tactile touchpads, and onboard IMU for balanced stance and autonomous obstacle avoidance. An open API enables Python scripting, enabling hobbyists to program routines, responses to commands, and custom patrol patterns for research or education. In controlled tests, it maintained traction on hardwood, carpet, and outdoor gravel with minimal slip, showcasing reliable motor torque and responsive steering. Battery life impressed testers with around 2.5 hours of mixed activity, including light climbs and routine patrols. Rapid charge capability restores power quickly, and swappable batteries reduce downtime during longer demonstrations or classroom sessions, keeping lessons uninterrupted. Compared to the Unitree Go 1, the Luansul MechDog Pro offers longer endurance, broader payload options, and deeper customization without sacrificing control. The pros include robust build quality that endures frequent handling, excellent stability across varied terrain, and impressively long battery life for extended sessions. The cons include higher price compared to mainstream consumer bots and a bulkier form factor that may hinder compact spaces.